Hey guys, and welcome back to the Portrait Guru. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful drills, exercises, and practices that you can do on a daily basis to help improve your own drawing skill. This just takes a few minutes per day, but you'll be able to see your drawings take off rapidly. If your line work feels shaky, your portraits lack depth, and your proportions and your accuracy is well out of scale, then these fundamental principles, exercises, and drills will help you develop your drawing skill and take it to the next level. Stick around to the end of this video, as the last exercise will rapidly improve your drawing skill the most. Practicing line quality and control. Strong, confident lines are the backbone of any good drawing. Grab any medium you wish. I'm using a pen here because it's simple, clean, and there's no erasing, which forces you to commit. Here's what to do. Place random dots in your sketchbook. Connect these dots with straight lines and curves, drawing smoothly and confidently. Use your whole arm, not just your wrist. That means rotating your paper until it feels comfortable. Switch up your grip as well, so try a writing grip, an overhand grip, and even a loose sketch grip. Another tip is the ghosting technique. Before you commit to a stroke, hover your pen or pencil about 1 or 3 millimeters above the paper and repeat the motion 3 or 4 times. On the 5th pass, commit and draw the line confidently. This trains your brain to build accuracy and confidence. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes, varying the size of your lines. Fill the page with tiny lines, then with big sweeping strokes. The benefit? This builds muscle memory, improves control, and makes your lines look clean and professional. If you're finding this useful so far, smash that like button, subscribe to the Portrait Guru, and comment me below with what exercises you're going to try today. Drawing a box in perspective. Next up, this will train your brain to see objects in 3D space. Start by drawing a simple T shape in the middle of your page. From here, extend the other sides back in 3-point perspective, so the box feels like it's sitting in space. Here's the important part. Draw the inside lines too, thicken the outer edges, and shade one side of the box to make it pop and seem more realistic. Do all of this freehand, no rulers just yet. Only after you finish should you grab a ruler and a red pen or any other coloured pen to analyse where your lines went wrong. Fill a page with boxes for 15 to 20 minutes. Draw them big, small, rotate them, stack them, add a bit of variation. And the benefit? You'll gain a natural understanding of depth, proportion and structure, which is vital for anything you draw. Practicing organic shapes and cross-contour exercise. These are the building blocks for drawing natural flowing forms. Draw simple sausage blobs. No need to be precise. Just random shapes on your page. Then add cross-contour lines through them. Imagine these are like stripes on a globe, curving around to show their form. As you practice, think about how the lines bend depending on the shape's orientation. Ellipses at the top of a form will look different from the ones at the side. To level this up, grab some fruit. Apples, oranges, bananas. Draw them and add contour lines through them, even drawing the parts that you don't see, as if you were wearing X-ray goggles. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes. This exercise makes your drawings feel more three-dimensional, helps with realism, and improves your ability to draw from imagination later on. Studying and analysing artistic masters. This is one of the fastest ways to learn because you're directly being trained from the greats. The key here is not to just copy. Instead, study. Choose one artist you admire and focus on a single aspect of their work. For example, Monet for colour, Dean Cornwell for portraits, Edward Hopper for composition. Here, I'm showing a quick study I did of John Singer Sargent. Notice, I'm not just copying the strokes, but I'm also studying it, or I'm trying to study it here. Why did I put this line here? Why did he simplify that shadow, for example? You can do quick studies in 5 minutes or really dive deep and spend an hour. Both are really valuable. The benefit, you'll absorb techniques you might not think of on your own, and over time, you'll mix influences from many different artists to develop your own personal art style. Drawing from life and fine-tuning observation. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Observation teaches you how to draw what you actually see, not what you think you see. That difference is huge. Pick simple objects around your home, apples, a banana, a mug, or even your computer mouse. Start with a light sketch, focusing on proportions and shapes, breaking it down into simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles, and then basic forms, cylinders, cones, cubes. Here's a tip. Use imaginary vertical and horizontal lines in your head to compare. For example, is the top of that apple wider than the base? Does the handle of the mug line up with the rim? Step back regularly, take breaks and adjust. The more you train this skill, the more accurate your drawings will become. Do this for 25 to 45 minutes. This exercise sharpens your eye, improves accuracy, and builds a foundation for any kind of art, whether it's realism, cartoons, or abstract artworks. And remember, consistency is key. If you can only commit 5 to 10 minutes per day, that is better than nothing. I'd love to know how you got on with these different drawing exercises, drills, and practices. Let me know how you got on in the comments. I'll love to answer any of your questions or just see how you got on. Like this video and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you on the next video.